modification. A little modification to the studio. I forget what my width is. Help me add here. 87 is 43 and a half. So 43 and a half will be about here. I need to center this. I gotta be doing some drilling here and here. I got my wood all up there. Just got to get this in there. And then I just got to make a cut. Shh! I can't tell you my secrets. How I get this in here. But it's in there like magic. All I got to do is just now cut this out, the piece I need, with a square box. Now that everything is done above, think right here. I got a beam and a beam. I'm not cutting a hole out. So I'm going to bring this out like here and here, make a box. Put some screws in and carefully not to damage. Well, you'll figure that part out sooner or later. Oh, there's a hole there for a reason. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Oh, that's not going to do it. So I'm going to come here, drill a hole, and come over here and drill a hole. I don't want to go too high. I want to go where I can work comfortably. Say, right about here. Put another hook, but it's not going to grab because it goes this way. When I walk by, if I want to remove it, that's all I do. I want to put it on. That's all I do. I think that's... So I got to go get the, junction boxes. I brought a light fixture. And these junction boxes and these light fixtures, they're not perfect. They don't meet up 100%. So I got the piece. Go see what I can go get. I have to figure out if I want to put a switch in the box. And this way I can turn the things on and off the way I want. But I have to always unplug the power cord. That's a must. Now, I heard rumors, I heard opinions, and I heard videos. They're not good. Not good on the two-person DJI Mic 2. Why is that? Well, they say one is yin and one is yang. One is high, one is low. One is dark and one is crisp. That's what they say. Let's head on in and go get my needs. $228 a piece? They said like $278 a piece. I got a steal of a deal. Oh man, 30 minutes is what I heard. 30 minutes! Fish, what's 30 minutes? Well, I was told that the DJI Osmo Action 4 has a 15-minute standby sleep mode, where DJI just told us it's got 30 minutes now. in the camera. Maybe that's why when I went to the dentist and I came out, 30 minutes later, the camera was still on. And I thought it was 15 minutes. Gotta think about that one, Fish. So, what has DJI not been telling us? I did use my DJI to show you my showcase showdown. Building a box, going on a wall, and yeah, finishing up a piece on top of the ceiling. Yes, indeed. Yeah, I'm getting my work done. I may have to just take the piece of wood off, shave it down, so this way the 1.5-inch box could meet almost flush to the ceiling. If it fits too low, then I got a problem on one, and the other box I gotta trace it and cut it on out. So here's my box, just the way I want it. I don't want to shave the wood, but it sticks out just a little bit. Let it cover just nicely when I need to hang things up. And here's my other one. I got a light fixture on it, but problem, these, every one is different. And I got the box inside and I got the round box in front of it so I could choose the ones I want. So I'm all done with my project. Hope you enjoy it. Let's see how many others. I don't want to ruin a wall. So I got here, just make sure I unplug and be safe when I work with these wires, because you don't want to do one of those. Be safe, enjoy your project. This is what you are after. Later.